Hi, I'm Kendrick. We're cooking for love in Valentine's month. We're a week away, and today we have a very sensual, wonderful dessert for you, and can't wait to show it to you.
I'm Kathleen Hall. I am the CEO, or otherwise called the Ama or Mother of the network, and we are here today to celebrate my happiest time of the year, which is Valentine's Day, all about love. And I don't know about you all, but when you see what she has cooked up here, you talk about love.
It's wonderful. We are going back to our French roots, and we are doing chocolate crepes. And with these chocolate crepes, you can put Nutella in it. In the middle, I did some homemade cream that doesn't take a minute to make. I'm going to put some strawberries on it. But I want to show you how beautiful this chocolate is. And after I get this started, I'm going to show you what's in it.
And the batter that's left, I'm taking a bath afterwards after we go off the air.
Everyone's been eating.
And that will not be filmed. But if it is, it'll be pay-per-view.
So it's best if you have one of these pans. And I'm just going to even it out just a little bit and trying to keep a round form if I can. Now, this isn't going to be perfect, and you need to kind of do it a few times.
Do you want to tell them what goes into this beautiful concoction?
So there it is. I'm going to let that rest for a minute. Okay, so what is in here is I've got about 2 cups of milk. I've got 2 eggs. I've got a cup and a half of flour. I've got a half a cup of cocoa. And I've got, I think, 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And I have, I think, about a teaspoon of vanilla. So, you mix your dry ingredients, then you mix your wet ingredients, and that's it. And here we are. So now...
And I want, before she tries to flip this thing and we move to the next phase, I want to tell you that when I was with Unilever in Paris working there, I actually visited rehab units of crepe chefs that had lost their minds from not being able to flip these things.
This might be getting there.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
No,
but again, Brittany went to the Sorbonne for a while, and we've spent a whole lot of time we're very blessed in Paris and in Europe, and this is Jim and Brittany's favorite thing is crepes.
I love it.
They will take them for breakfast, lunch, dinner.
And this is almost, and when you see that it's dry on top and it starts to have little polka dots on top, then you know it's ready. Also, you can see if it shakes. Now, this may mess up, so just, bear with us. It might take a few times. Oh, damn it. All right, wait a minute. But look, it's okay.
It did make it. It's perfect. It's perfect.
It worked out.
Yeah, I like it. Here, pick up the baby.
I know.
Well, just pick her up.
I mean, that's the thing is have fun with this.
And see and have fun with it. But what you don't know, this is about the 5th one because she tried many of them. So we have been sitting here.
Eating.
Bailey, Vanna, the producers, all of us.
There. It came out okay.
And so we love this because we have suffered all morning long.
And there it is.
With crepe failure. And here we are. Failure of a crepe.
And here we are. It's beautiful. And what we're going to do is, in the middle of it, I'll show you. Here's how it really looks when you get done.
Isn't it beautiful?
These are gorgeous.
Let me hold one.
It might take, actually, if you use the spatula, it'll be much better. You should use the spatula. I just flip.
You tell me this
But look how pretty that is. Now, let me tell you what's in it real quick. Now, you could do Nutella. You could do the spray kind of whipped cream, but it just takes a few minutes. Get some heavy whipped cream like this, and then you can top it with this, and it's just beautiful when you put it on. But let me show you how I make this. I basically take some heavy cream. The recipe's on the website, and I take what you want to do is you want to beat it until it's not quite soft peaks. And then you add, I have a little maple syrup, a little vanilla, and then I put a little sugar in it. And then you go ahead and put the mixer back on. You beat it until it's, the almost stiff peaks. And it's done. And it's so good. It's very savory because of the maple syrup and because of the vanilla. Then what we do is put a little bit of strawberries. Now you could saute bananas and sugar and vanilla, and you could do that. But I love to do the strawberries. And this is how it comes out.
Yeah, and these are real.
They're beautiful, yeah.
Yeah, these aren't plastic that we bought on Amazon. She really did make these, and they are this perfect and this beautiful because the chick knows what she's doing. But so I am not kidding.
Let's have a bite.
Yeah, I know.
Let's get a bite.
Okay, don't cry for me, Argentina, that she's making me try this. But can you even imagine? I'm telling you, my husband, when he comes home, he loves crepes.
So how is it? Is it good?
Oh my God.
Is it good?
I mean,
I'm so glad.
you're supposed to want sex on Valentine's Day. But I got news for you. This is a 0 sex zone right now.
This is amazing.
This is absolutely amazing. But I promise you, this will be the breadcrumb. One of the breadcrumbs that will lead you to where you want to go tonight.
So happy Valentine's. And for now, we're saying bye, but we will see you very soon. I'm Kendra, cooking for love for Valentine's.
And I'm Kathleen Hall, eating for love. Happy Valentine's Day, darling.
Bye.
Bye.